The compact truck mount is powered by a Kubota liquid-cooled turbo diesel. The centrifugal clutch transfers power to the fan and the Champion compressor simultaneously. The compressor delivers 220 psi to the 20-gallon tank. The exhaust from the fan and the engine mix together simultaneously as they exit the truck. The compact truck mount has plenty of power. Here we have a piece of 8-inch pipe hooked up to the intake of the machine. And we're going to show you just how powerful this machine really is.